ambassador, flow subliminal, original B-boy, still got paid. Rock for the people, killing that stage. Classic, needed some pen in the pad. The ghetto is hot, pockets is fire, hot out the whole back. Just chill. You know who invented it? Brand new flow with a soul of a veteran. Damn, she looking like a flashy type. I'll be damned if I let her go past me right. Cause I remember coming from the bottom, it's hotter than bottom when none of the labels won't sign. And better to press rewind, throwback rhyme. And said I done lost my mind, belonged in a silo. Word? You ever seen a stereo head? Click, 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 blah. Not a stereo dad. Going down, swing to the left like Riddick. Ball with a flow that's real, not gimmick. The rag gold green block star authentic. LeBron James, when you watch lanes, I did it. Now when the last time you saw this militant B-boys really pump that fist. Set a party in a party till you bump that bliss. I deserve to win an Oscar, picture this. I grew up on the corner of a cross, say this shit ain't no running water, never had electricity. Now I'm the true leader of the brand new school, but my crews never followed by the rules. You in the backseat of a taxi, getting flashed by the paparazzi. The price of the fortune and fame, if we all losing our minds, who's insane?
No matter how